Good day, everyone. Today, our topic is all about variable load problem. I will explain problem number one about variable load problem. The problem is all about a central station is supplying energy to a community through two substations. One substation feeds four distributing circuits, the other six. The maximum daily recorded demands are natay ano diri nga power station na ay load nga 12,000 kilowatts. And there is a substation A na ay load nga 6,000 kilowatts. Then ay siya feeders nga each have a maximum load of ano in feeder 1 na ay 1,700 kilowatts, feeder 2 1,800 kilowatts, feeder 3 2,800 kilowatts, and feeder 4 600 kilowatts. Then sa substation B na siya yung maximum load 9,000 kilowatts, and feeder 1 to 6 na ay 620, 1,500, 1,000, 2,900 kilowatts, 2,200, and 3,000 kilowatts. Then calculate the diversity factor between substations, feeders on substation A, and feeders on substation B. So for the solution, in letter A, magamit ang formula sa diversity factor, which is equivalent to maximum demand of substation A plus maximum demand of substation B over maximum demand of power station. So nato itong given diri sa ibabaw, pang butang din nato dire. Ang maximum demand sa substation A is 6,000, 6,000 kilowatts, plus maximum demand of substation B, which is equal to 9,000. Then i-divide nito siya sa itong total ay sa to ang maximum demand sa power station, which is equivalent to 12,000 kilowatts. So if i-calculate na nimo ang diversity factor sa letter A sa between substations is equivalent to 1.25. Then sa letter B, diversity factor between feeders on substation A. So diri na to magamit yung punta formula sa diversity factor, which is diversity factor equals sum of maximum demand of each feeders over maximum demand of substation A. So since ato natay feeder sa substation A, isum up ra nato na sila tanan, which is kanay 1,700 plus 1,800 plus 2,800 plus 600 divided by 6,000, which is the maximum demand sa to ang substation A. Pag i-calculate nimo na siya, natay diversity factor na 1.15. Then sa letter C, diversity factors between feeder on substation B. Same lang yapon siya na process sa letter B. Diversity factor is equal to sum of maximum demand of each feeder divided by maximum demand of substation B. Yan siya isum up na ito ni siya tanan from feeder 1 to 6. Then i-divide na to siya sa maximum demand of substation B, which is 9,000. Then we will get an answer of 1.247. That's all. Thank you.